Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna go ahead and give everybody, even including myself, what we've been waiting for. I'm gonna go ahead and install the GoPro Hero7 Black. I know on the trailer previous video I dropped, I had the GoPro Hero7 White. Now, what happened with that, it turned out I did more research on it. It was gonna be a bad investment. After looking it up, the features and everything they could do, the quality of the picture was not even as good as what I'm recording on right now, which is my iPhone. I have the iPhone X, so I'm not. Yes, it was a better price. It was $199. It was a cheaper one. I just didn't want to make another bad investment. Hence the Cena 10C Pro camera. So. And of course, I found out this was on sale. It was on sale for $349. Normally it's $399, but it was on sale. It does everything that I'm looking for and more. So I figured let's take the other one back, which I did, in exchange for this one, and let's get to the video. So I'm putting it on my helmet. This is my built modular helmet. What's the difference between a modular and my other helmet? This one, as I can lift it up like so, press down, and it opens all the way up. So that's the difference from a full face helmet like the my black my matte black helmet. That's the difference from this one and that one. My matte black helmet is a full face helmet. It just comes down. You can't lift the front part up. With this one, you can lift it up, and I already have built inside of it a communication device. This is just a regular Cena without the camera. So it allows me to make phone calls, receive phone calls. It already has speakers inside of here, and I can listen, of course, to the conversation that I'm having with the person. I can listen to music. But as far as capturing video and stuff, you have to go with another camera because it doesn't come with a camera. So I have yet to see anyone on YouTube, I mean, maybe I just haven't put it in the right information, but I had not seen anyone install this on a modular. So I don't know if this will be the first one. If so, I'm gonna, let everyone know how to do it. You pretty much install them the same. And like I said, I have my helmet, the GoPro. This is called the J-Hook. These are microphone covers for this microphone. I have additional attachment in case I need them. And the only thing I don't have, because of the weather, I ordered an external mic adapter. So I probably won't be able to install this today because I don't have nothing to install it into, because it didn't arrive with the rest of the stuff. So what I'll do is I'll shoot a video for that. That one will be real quick, maybe a 3-minute video on that one. But today, I'll just install the camera. I should be able to give decent quality conversations, or I should be able to talk and you should be able to hear me. I might sound a little muffled because I won't have the microphone, if that makes any sense. So I'll go ahead and do that, and let's get started. Okay, now that's taken care of. I'm pretty much done with the helmet for now. Check this off to the side. Go ahead and unbox this. So at the bottom, it's a blue little line. Just tear it off just like so, which allows access to the camera. It's a nice case. So, sorry about shaking the camera. It gives instructions on how to release the camera off of the little stand. Pretty simple, 3 steps. So it's saying to raise this little flap like so. It's saying to press in the sides and the camera should slide off. Okay, and that's how you take the camera off. Go ahead and open this up. See what's on the side. Okay, we have the booklet. We have some stickers. It says important product safety instructions. So let me see what is this one about. Okay, this is more or less geared toward unpackaging, which I did, and connecting to the GoPro app, which I'll do once we get started. And also showing different placement. Per this, it prefers that you install it on the top of your helmet. So that's all it's really, sorry about that, showing. So yeah. Okay. Dive in a little more. USB cable, battery. We have a curved mount and a slightly curved but flush, I'm sorry, curved mount, straight flush mount. More than likely, yes, I think I could use either or because of how I'm placing it. Yep. I'll have the option of using either one. Looks like the curved mount will probably go best. So I take that back, I don't have the option of using either one. Yeah, it looks like the curved mount can be slightly better. And that's pretty much everything that came inside the box. So battery, 2 different adhesive mounts with 3M double-sided tape, USB for charging. So I can, with this GoPro Hero7 Black, I can pop batteries in and out, or I can just simply charge it up. That's a good feature there. Good thing to know. Okay, so I know in past videos I normally don't look at the instructions, but this is uncharted territory, so I'm gonna go ahead and look down. It's basically telling me to take it out of this case, this harness. Has a little flap with an arrow pointing back this way. Okay. So after I pop that open, it should just slide right out of here. There it goes. Have to give it a little love push. Okay. So there we have it. Okay, the next step is saying to install the battery. Flip it over. I'm going to press the top button in and slide it this way, like so. From here, it's saying I need to install the battery and a SD card. So I'm going to pause for the cause. I do have an SD card. I'm gonna place that inside of here and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It's very, very mini and tiny. I don't even think it's going to be seen, but this is my SD card. I totally forgot that you have to have this. This is 64 gigabytes, so I'm gonna install that inside the camera right now. Sorry I couldn't really show it to you. So that's in. The battery has a little flap on it. Hopefully that's picking up. You want to make sure the GoPro sign label goes in this direction. What I'm doing right now, there's a protective cover over the touchscreen. I'm just removing it, like so. Okay, so that's where we are right now. So all you're gonna see is my hand is hear my voice. Of course, I'm gonna select English. Now it's giving me legal stuff. It says, by using this GoPro, I agree to the terms and use available at GoPro.com legal. I'm go ahead and agree, because if I hit disagree, I don't think it'll let me use the camera. Okay. Now it's saying that it captures the location where my videos and photos are taken. Okay. GoPro app. It's asking me to install the GoPro app on my phone to finish the rest of this setup. Okay, so I'll have to pause this and I'll come right back. Not sure how long this is gonna last, but it's asking me to create an account right now, so that's what I'm about to do. Yeah, just testing it out. Gonna get back to the install video. Okay, now it's on and recording, and I can tell by the little hourglass video, little window. And it should pick me up, and I'll make sure that this is included. Yeah, for my GoPro Hero7 Black, fairly easy to install. Not finished with this, of course. I have to install the external microphone adapter. That's gonna be pretty easy, and I'll show you guys how to do that once it gets here. It just hadn't arrived. So for the most part, it should pick up my voice and everything pretty good. It won't be as great because the microphone is not connected to it, but it's still gonna be pretty decent. But make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. This is Junior. I'm out. Peace. GoPro, stop recording.